Hi guys, if your Whirlpool range shows you this type of error that says F1E1, it usually points to a control system failure. So in this guide, you are going to learn what it actually means and how you can fix it step by step. So on a Whirlpool range, this F1E1 code is going to indicate a fault in the electronic oven control board or its communication with the internal components. So this can stop the oven from heating and responding properly. So the fix is very simple. First of all, turn off the range from the circuit board for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back on. This is going to clear the temporary glitches that are stored in the control system. Afterwards, simply unplug the appliance or switch off the power before inspection. Now you need to look behind the control panel for any loose or damaged wiring harness connections. Sometimes faulty connections can interrupt the signals and can trigger this particular error. Now you need to press different buttons on the control panel and check the responsiveness. If the buttons doesn't respond or activate randomly, the user interface keypad may be faulty. So this can send the incorrect signals to the control board. So these are the steps that are going to help you quickly diagnose the problem and even fix the F1E1 error. Thank you.